1948 Model Ford Angler, fiberglass tilt front cab. As you can see, got the small block Chevy 400 with a turbo 400 transmission. There you go. She don't drive much. I let her do a whole lot of sitting. But just the way you can see, brand new aluminum radiator, brand new electric fan in it to help keep it cool. I had enough room with the motor sitting back for a manual fan. You know, my distributor's back here behind the firewall a little bit, which ain't no problem. We ain't never had to get to it, but if you can get to it, it is real accessible. As you can see, straight axle front end, drum brakes, front and rear. Ain't never had a problem with nothing. Alright, I'm going to start it up for y'all so y'all can hear it run. Now this little car's been sitting for a couple days, but little car that I know. You know, this little car runs good, as y'all can see. She's cold as a cucumber. Well, you can see, I touched the header. We're warming up a little bit. Well, you can see. Stop running motor. Come back here. Now, as you can see, the car's dirty, been sitting, but you can hear the exhaust. It stops running, got a little thump down out the back, but other than that, it's a stock car. Fuel cell. I want to say 15 gallons. Got a battery. My battery's in the trunk back here. Whenever I put gas in it, I just tilt it up, squirt it in. You know, no problems. It takes it. Metal trunk lid. Oh, what else? I want to see. Take a look on the inside of the car. Show them the inside. Got MSD ignition. That's what this is all about. Like I said, turbo 400. There's the shifter, floor shifter, trans brake, got the line lock, but it don't work. My gauges, my shift light. These windows here's tinted, they're not smoked. Now the front is clear, but the rest of them is tinted there. I mean smoke, not tinted. It's got the old school diamond tuck galore in it. There you go, Lacey. Now look, these seats do tilt so they can see. Doesn't have a back seat, but if you have one, you can put it back in here and have a place for a rider. But rides out pretty damn good. Little fiberglass tilt front cab, like I said, just put it down. You ready to go cruising now. Alrighty, and let me show you. Stop for a second. About 2 months ago, but it's brand new. Vinyl top. Like I say, the little car's been sitting a long time, and it is dirty, you know, but it's been sitting. I don't drive it too often. Alrighty, we pulling out. We fixing to go down the road here now, Lace. Alrighty. Alright, nothing's coming, so. Alright, now look. First manual valve, second gear, going down the road here. This little Honda here is a slow street car. It gets good gas mileage. Sometimes I think it's making gas. Holds good oil pressure. My temperature's coming up. Fuel, full. Speedometer, well, it's just there for the decorations. It don't work, but we don't need it. Tag. Alrighty, now as y'all can see, this is the passenger side of the little car. I got it up on the rack. Front tires. Alright, we're going to walk around, so y'all be ready. Alright, here's your ladder bars. There's how they hooking up to the frame of the car. Let me get these glasses off where I can see what I'm showing y'all. Alright, rear tires are 30 by 12.50 by 15. Fiberglass rear fenders. Now, fiberglass rear fenders go along with the fiberglass hood. Other than that, that is it. Alright, now, we got some people. Here's your battery in the trunk. Tailpipes, fuel cell, rear end. Alright. You can see the coil springs. Alright, so y'all can get a good look at it, what we got, and everything else. Alright, now I'm stepping in, as you can see. Here's some of your attachments. Cross member, transmission. Alright, coming on around. Alright, drive shaft loop. A little short drive shaft now, so we ain't got a whole lot there. But that's what we ended up with. So your full tube frame. Now, so you can get a good look. That's a brand new master cylinder. I'm sorry. It's just what they look like after a while. You know about master cylinders. That's them. Alright. Just so you can get to see everything. I don't want to leave nothing out. I don't want y'all guessing about nothing. I want you to be confident for sure. Whenever you look, you see, you like. As you see, you don't see no rust on this vehicle. You let me know if you see any rust. A little bend up right there, but other than that, that ain't nothing major. You got it over here too. You don't see no rust. Alright, as we come up, driver's side, drum brakes. You got your leaf. Now look, I'm back again here, and my new little radiator sticks down low. Chrome oil pan, small block Chevy. Alright. Brand new high torque starter. Alright, long tube headers. Alright, this is a transmission, turbo 400 transmission. Got the trans brake, the line lock, and all that good stuff. So you can see what all comes with the package deal here with the car, and that way you're not wondering. I want y'all to get a full view of everything that you be purchasing whenever you get this car. But as you can see, full tube chassis. Alright, I'm gonna back out. Alrighty, we have to go get us some batteries. But anyway, we back here at the front, and we're gonna walk around so you can get you some pictures, some views of what you see, what you're looking for. Alright, all down the side of the car. Alright, what else do I need to film? Let's see, what else while I got it in the air? How about the back of the little car? Alright, let's see. Alright, is there any other thing that I can think of that y'all might want to see? Come on now, Farron. What into the world would anybody else want to see? Alright, but like I told y'all, there ain't no rust on this car. None.